So here's the sound bag for the 744T recorder. In it, on the side pouch, you'll find the slate. And the slate usually has a star chart on the back. Sometimes it has some Velcro numbers or some tape numbers. And you'll also find the slate bag, which has cheat sheets in it. It also has cables for sound transferring sound files from the sound recorder. In here you'll find a set of headphones usually, and those again just get placed in like this. We don't wrap them around like this. They just get placed inside. This is a fishpole holder, which is a little adapter for putting the boom down onto a stand. Then we have the actual sound recorder. We have our counterweight for our boom stand, and we have our XLR cable, and that's what's in the sound bag.